Welcome again friends. Let us see procedure to clear cache and temp files from laptop and browser for exit exams. Type in run in search bar, click and type %temp% and click on OK. Now once the window pops up, select any one file and press Ctrl+A to select all. Now press Shift+Delete. The data will be deleted permanently from your computer. Now skip for the files which are in use. Now you can close this window. In the meantime, system will delete all the files. Go again on search bar and type in run again, RUN, and click on run. Now type in prefetch, PREFETCH, and click OK. Click on continue. Again select one file, any one file, and press Ctrl+A to select all. Press Shift+Delete and click OK. Again skip for the files which are in use. By this way, all the files will be deleted from your computer directly. Now open Mozilla Firefox, which is recommended for all DG exit exams and other DG work. Now click on three horizontal strips on the right side in Firefox Mozilla. Go to settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down the page and click on clear data under the section cookies and site data. Here you will see caches and cookies. Click on clear now. To reconfirm, please click on clear data again. Now you will see the size as 0 bytes. You can do it again just to make sure everything has been erased off. I hope the video will be a help. Thank you.